Hi there, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll share my screen. Yeah. Okay. So we spoke about support and resistance, right, in the last class?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do you have any questions or any doubts?
I was confused little in that target price and
In target price and?
the indicators you showed last lecture.
Okay, okay. Support and resistance, right? So what's the confusion?
Like to identify the target price.
Okay. So have you opened the account, Demat account?
Actually, today I went to the bank and so in Baroda, like I preferred. So evening till evening, they will start the process.
No, you can do it online, na? Why you want to do it physically? It will take a lot of time.
So I'll do it online.
Online, it will take 2 days only, na? They will quickly open. You have internet banking with you?
No.
Then it will take a long time actually. If you don't have any internet banking, because you have to activate your internet banking first. Even if you want to open it offline, you have to activate your internet banking.
Okay.
So you don't have internet banking in any of the banks activated?
Internet banking means.
Like online, you can transfer the money, right?
Uh-huh. So, no, I don't have in any other bank.
So in which bank you have?
Baroda.
Bank of Baroda.
Hmm.
So Bank of Baroda, then it is fine. If internet banking is there, you can open it online. I have shared you one link, right? You can use that link. It will hardly take 5 minutes to fill all the details. You have a PAN card,
Yes.
so you can fill it online. Hardly it will take 5 minutes to fill it. They will do video KYC, and then you have to sign it digitally. They will take your pic, and then hardly in one day they will get it approved. Because if you go offline it will take many days. And Bank of Baroda is a public bank, right? It will take a lot of time. So which broker you have applied?
Actually, I went to Kotak Bank, so I was facing some issues, so I went to Baroda.
Hmm.
So they said like Angel One.
Okay, but Angel One you have brokerage, so you have to pay some brokerage. Kotak I suggested you because there is no brokerage in that.
So if I have an account in like Baroda, then can I open it in the Kotak?
Yes, yes, yes. Because I have my
So
account in Kotak. Because see, I have opened account in Kotak. My account is in State Bank, but I have opened in Kotak, right? You can do that. It is not like
so
that.
I can fine.
Yeah, it is not like that. You have to open from the same bank, right? You can open it with different bank also.
So I'll prefer that Kotak one. I'll do
Because
it today.
yeah, because I have sent you the link now. If you want to do it, like once you are doing online, if you have any doubt, you can ping me. I will help you.
Okay, sir.
Because Kotak I suggested you because there is no brokerage for intraday in that. Otherwise, in Angel
No,
One and all, Angel One
actually,
and
I
all,
thought
you
that
get
the
the
bank
link.
account plus.
Okay. You would have sent message to me now. Okay, no problem. Fine.
So, uh-huh.
Because I don't want you to pay like brokerage and all, right? buy to pay brokerage if you have an option of free brokerage, right?
Yes.
1 second. I'll just plot it first. Okay, you can see my screen.
The indicators
Yes,
table.
yes. Indicate
Yes.
this chart you can see, right? I'm displaying the
Yes.
chart, right? Right. So if you first see, if you are opening the account with Kotak or Angel, whatever it is, you have to use the Trading View also software, right? Here. So for you to use this, you have to. Do you have a laptop, right? You have a laptop at home.
I have a PC.
PC, it's fine, no problem. So whenever you open a Chrome or anything like that, you have to write the tradingview.com, right? At the top.
Okay. Hmm.
So once I write TradingView here, then it will open me, it will show me like this page will open right here. And
Actually, I can only see the PPT.
PPT, yeah, 1 second. Okay, now you can see the web browser.
Yes.
Okay. So once I type the TradingView in the URL, then this page will open, right? So there is a text box there, search, right? You can search whatever stock you want to see the chart, you can search it. So right now I want to see Nifty 50, right? So I'm searching Nifty 50 here. Okay, Nifty 50. So once I click on Nifty 50, then it will open me this chart, right? Fine.
Okay.
So once this chart is open, so this chart will be blank, right? So now how you have to plot the indicator? You have to go to indicators, right? Here you have to search pivot. You just note down, otherwise you will forget, and you have to do it after the class on your PC. Then only you will remember. Otherwise you will forget.
Okay.
So indicators you have to search pivot point standard, right? So once I click on this, this particular indicator will get plotted here. You can see, right? Now it is plotted on the chart, right? So now you can see certain lines right here, orange lines everywhere, right? So now,
Yes.
so now I will do some drawing here, right? Some change in settings. Once I go to here settings, you can see here, right? Once I go to settings, there is an option called inputs, right? Inputs. Right? So, so I just want to see two support and two resistance. That is why I'm just clicking those two and rest I am removing it, right? So
Okay.
now you can see only two support and two resistance, right? So these are the resistance. See, because the price is here, my price is here. So I have explained you that the lines which are on top of the price, they are resistance here,
Resistance.
and the lines which are below the price, these are the support lines, right? Fine. And this is
Hmm.
my price. The price is approximately how much? At 21647 approximately, right? Fine, this is clear.
Yes.
Okay. Now you have a doubt in how to calculate the target price, right? So let's say I have taken a trade here on this candle, right? Let's say I have to take a trade on this candle, right? So how I will take a trade? I will take a buy trade on the high of this candle and a short trade on the low of this candle, right? So let's say the next candle cross the high price of this candle, the previous candle, right? Then I will take a buy trade here. And if it crosses the low price, then I will take a sell trade here. So this is clear, right? Till this point, it is
Yes.
clear, right? Okay. So now if I take a buy trade here, then as per my pivot point, this will be my target
Okay.
because this is the first nearest line, right? This is the first nearest line. So that is why my target will be this. And if I take a short trade, then my target will be here because this is my first nearest line, support one, and this is resistance one. Fine.
Okay.
Still any doubt?
No.
So this indicator is clear, right? Shall I move to a next one?
Yes, sir.
Any other doubt apart from this till this stage?
No.
Okay. So now next slide is there are certain softwares or web browsers which you can use to see your charts, right? First one is charting, second is trading view, and third is trend line. So here we are going to talk about only these two, charting and trading view. Trading view, I have shown you how to see the chart and how to plot the indicators. Charting is the software wherein which will be used to create the screeners, right? So you have any idea about softwares like have you done any kind of programming or anything like that? Have you done
Yeah, in 11, 12th.
C programming like basic idea, you know, right? If else condition, all those things, you know, right? You might have done in 11, 12 class. So charting is the platform wherein you have to use the screeners to filter your stocks, right? See, there are around 6,000 stocks in the Indian market. So it's not possible to see all the charts on a daily basis. So that's the reason you have to use the screeners to filter out certain stocks as per your logic, right?
Yeah.
So this charting will be used to plot the screeners so that you can filter out the stocks and then you can see the chart and then you can trade those stocks, right? So this I will tell you later. First, we will focus on trading view only, right? So next come on to charts and patterns and trends, right? Okay. So this is a pattern which is called as breakout. Breakout. So there are two things. One is breakout and other one is breakdown. Have you heard these words earlier? Breakout or
Mm,
breakdown? Right. So breakout and breakdowns. So what does this mean? I will explain you on the charts. One second. So now this is the chart. So now, as I have told you that if I take a buy here, so my target will be this one, right? So after this, once the stock will create a candle like this, right? So you can see this candle also, right? This is half on this line up and half below, right? You can see this candle, right?
yes.
So this is called as breakout. Once such candle is formed, breaking the resistance line, then it is called as breakout. This area is called as breakout.
Okay.
So the candle has to be like this. See, this is also a breakout, right? But this is not a breakout because this is a red candle. Breakout means green candle. It has to be green candle only. It should not be red candle. So this is also breakout and this is also breakout as it is crossing the resistance line, right? So first condition is it has to be a green candle and
And it should cross the resistance line.
yes, should cross resistance line. Right? So this is called as breakout, right? Fine, clear?
Yes.
Now the other term is breakdown, right? Breakdown will be like this. This will always be formed on the support side
Okay.
and this will be a red candle.
It can.
So just opposite of this. This is green candle and should cross the resistance and this is red candle and should cross the support area, right? I will show you one example. See, this is breakout and this is breakdown, right?
Yes.
This is breakout. See, this is not breakout. Okay, this is not breakout because the body of the candle is totally above the resistance line, support line, right here. You have to see the body of the candle. The spikes is fine, but you have to focus on the body of the candle also, right? Clear?
Okay.
See, this is also a breakout because the body of the
It
candle
is.
has crossed the resistance line, right? See, this is a breakdown two times. One is this and other one is this. So this is a very big red candle and there are two breakdowns in this candle, right? This is clear. Any doubt? Breakdown, breakouts.
No.
Okay, now coming back to the slide. See, it is shown in this chart also. Resistance breakout. This is breakout, right? Fine, this is clear. Breakout and breakdowns.
Yes, sir.
Now we will focus on patterns, right? So what are patterns? Patterns will be formed using different candles, right? Multiple candles you have to see and multiple candles will form a pattern, right? So this pattern is called as double top. Double top means the price is going from here till upside and then it come down and again it went the same area, right? These two forms. Two peaks, basically two peaks, two mountain peaks, right? So this is called as double top. Okay. And similarly, we have double bottom. Double bottom will be like this. We have two valleys, right? Two valleys. This is called double bottom and this is called double top, right? Any doubt?
No.
I will show you in chart. See here. See here, right? You can see double top formed here, right? Right. So
Mm-hmm.
you have to learn to identify on the chart. So see, it is easy to show you on the slides and explain you how double top looks like. But once you go on the chart, you have to identify it. How you have to identify in the chart, right? Double top and double bottom. See, this is double top. uh, See, this is also double top, right? You can see.
Yes.
So you should learn to identify on the chart. For this, you have to do practice. You have to keep on seeing, checking the charts on daily basis. At least you should spend 1 to 2 hours per day to check the charts, right? So these are the rare patterns you can see. It is not like that every now and then you will be able to see it, but these patterns are very rare. But whenever it is formed, you can take the trades, right? So double top, you have to take a sell trade, and double bottom, you have to take a buy trade. So let's say this is a kind of double bottom, means it's a kind of W, right? So once the price reaches here, then you have to wait for the second bottom. Once the price crosses from here, then you have to take a buy trade here. So you have to wait
Okay.
and watch. Once your price crosses this area, then only you have to take a buy trade. So instead of double bottom, you can call it as a W pattern also, right? And in case of double top, you can call it as a AM pattern, right? So in this, you have to take a sell trade. When you will take a sell trade? Here. Once the price goes here and once it returns here, then here you will take a sell trade.
So,
So these things you have to remember. Which pattern, what trade you have to take, and where you have to take the trade. First, you should know to identify the pattern, right? Then you have to plot it on the chart, and then you have to wait for the pattern to get completed, and then you have to take a trade, like buy and sell like that. Okay, okay, we'll see one chart, double top. We'll try to take some targets and stop loss. Okay. So you can see the AM pattern here, right? AM pattern formed.
yes.
So what you have to do, you have to wait till here, and here you have to take a short trade near this line, right? Sell trade. So once you take a sell trade, your stop loss will be here. This top, this line, right? This line will be a stop loss.
Exactly which line?
This line, wherever you have
Uh-huh.
got, wherever you have got
Hmm.
the double top. The price you have to check using your cursor. You will put at the candle, then you will find the exact price.
Hmm.
But you have to put your cursor here, right, at the top of this M, right? And targets, you can use it like this. This bottom will be a target. This place. You have to draw one line here, and this place will be a target.
Okay.
So stop loss, here you have to sell and this will be your target. So let's check. So you can check what is the high price of this candle. See this area, right? So high price will be 18091. If I put my cursor here, you can see the high price 18091, right?
Yes.
So 18091, you can add some buffer, maybe 5-10 point buffer, and that will be your stop loss. So maybe 18100. You can keep it here stop loss. 18100. You can keep it as stop loss. Right. And where you will enter? You will take a trade on the low of this candle. Once the low of this candle is broken, see, trade you have to take in the same fashion as we have discussed earlier also, right? This low of the candle. So you have to see the price also, right? The low price is 17771, right?
177.
17771. So this is the LP, low price. So once it goes down below this price, then we will take a sell trade, right?
Hmm.
So maybe you can take the sell trade around 750. So 750 will be your entry point, right? You have taken some buffer, right? 1771 is a low price and entry point will be 17750. Around 20 points below I have taken the entry, right? And
Hmm.
what will be your target? Target will be your low price of this candle.
Okay.
Why this candle?
Because it is the like peak of
Pull-
the.
It's a pullback basically. We don't call it as a peak. It's basically a pullback, right? It's a pullback
Okay.
zone.
Huh.
So this is a pullback zone, right? Pullback zone. We call it in trading terms, we call it as a pullback zone.
Pullback.
Yeah. Okay. So my target will be the low of this candle. What is the low price? 17166, right? 17166. So maybe I will take some buffer and I will keep it some around 17170. 4 or 5 point buffer I will keep it and my target will be 17170. So I took
Okay.
an entry at 17750 and my target is 17170 and my stop loss is 18100, right? Any doubt?
No, it's clear.
It's clear, right? See, this is a
Hmm.
bit lengthy thing, but once you understand, then you can use it very easily. So at the high of this candle, this is my stop loss. Low of this candle will be my entry point, and this will be my target point, right? Fine.
Okay.
Because next I will give you to calculate. If you have any doubt, please ask.
Which candle will take the stop loss?
The high. See, you can see the high, whether these three candles will have the high price or these three candles will have the high price. You have to see all the candles, right? See, if I take my cursor here, what is the high price? 17965, right?
Yes.
This high is 17968. This
Yes.
candle is 17992.
Hmm.
This candle is 18088.
Okay.
This candle is 18091. and this candle is 18096. So the highest price is 18096, but I have taken the stop loss at 18100, which is fine.
Okay.
So in this scenario, you can see in this scenario, there are 3 candles here and there are approximately 4 candles here. But it is not
Yes.
like that. In other scenario, it can be 5 candles or 6 candles also. So you have to watch out all the candles high price, and then based on that, you have to put your stop losses.
Okay.
Right?
So
It is
we'll
the
take the highest one.
highest one. The highest price, plus you can add some buffer points, maybe 5 or 10 points you can add as a buffer also.
Okay.
So this is clear.
Yes.
And you remember, whichever candle you are taking as a high price, the same candle you have to take as a low price to take the trade.
Okay.
I will explain you how to see. So now you can see the low of the, we have seen high price of all the candles, right? Now we will see the low price of all the candles. Low price is 17833. Here it is
Yes.
17852. Here is
52.
17710. Here is 17771, right? So this is the lowest price, right, of all the candles.
Hmm.
So we have to take the trade below this point. So that is why I have taken 1771, and my entry will be around 10-15 points below this price.
Okay.
So you have to
So this
see,
is
yeah. So
buy
you
or
have to buy this sell because this is a double top, right? In case of double top, we have to take a
buy trade.
sell trade. In case of double top, we have to take a sell trade.
Okay.
So this is a sell trade, right? Once the price goes below this line, then we will take a sell trade here.
Yes.
Right? So first you focus on double top trade. Trade will be SL, right? I will give
Okay.
you one thing to see. So this is clear. Shall I rub it?
Yes.
So now I will give you one candle. You can calculate it, right? See, these two are double tops, right?
Yes.
So this we have a M formation here, right?
Hmm.
Now you have to see the stop loss, the type of trade we have to take, the entry and the target.
Okay.
So you can see. So this is the highest of the. You just note down all the high prices. See, this is one easy because there are only 2 candles, one on the one peak and second candle on the second side. High price you can note down. Actually, high and low both you note down.
Okay.
And this candle, high and low you note down.
Okay.
So now based on the high and low price, first you tell me what will be my stop loss and what will be my entry and what should be my trade. And then after that we will see the target.
Okay. The stop loss will be 15340.
Why? See, the high of this candle is 15431.
Hmm.
So your stop loss will be the high of this candle, no? Somewhere 15435 or 440, right? You have to see the highest of the both the candles. The one which is higher, you have to take a stop loss here, right?
So it will be 15336, the highest like.
No. See, this candle, the price is how much? High price is how much? 15336, right?
15336.
Okay. And this candle, what is the high price?
15431.
Okay. So which is greater?
15336.
Huh?
Sorry, 15431.
Now this one is
Okay.
greater, right? So that will be a stop loss, na?
Okay, huh.
So you have to take some buffer also here. So maybe you can take 440.
Okay.
15440 will be a stop loss.
Hmm.
See, you have to be pro in maths if you want to learn trading, if you want to trade also, right? See,
Uh-huh.
this is you are doing offline. Once you start putting your money and trading, then if you do these mistakes, your money will be gone.
I saw the last two digits, so that was 31 and 36.
So you have to see all the digits. If your account balance has certain money, 1 lakh, you have to see it at 1 lakh, not 1000 rupees. Okay, so 15440 will be a stop loss, and what will be my entry point?
Entry point will be um 15 15431.
You have noted down all the low prices, right?